Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can log into your Mr. Cooper mortgage account. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome in here. So after opening your browser, what you're going to do is go to the search bar right here and start typing www.mrcooper.com. After you have typed that down, now tap on the enter button on your keyboard and this will lead you to the official website of Mr. Cooper. Here you can see this is the official website of Mr. Cooper and all you have to do is click on this sign in button that you can see right here. So after clicking on the sign in button here, you can see this will take you to the official website of Mr. Cooper mortgage account login. And in here, all you have to do is add in your username and then your password in here. So if in case you have forgotten your username, you can click on this forgot your username option right here, and this will lead you to the further process of how to recover your username. And if also in case you have forgotten your password, you can also click on this forgot your password option, and this will lead you to the further process of how to recover your Mr. Cooper account password. So after both of your username and your password is correct, you can click on this sign in button right here, and this will now log you in your Mr. Cooper mortgage account. So if you have not yet created yourself a Mr. Cooper mortgage account, you can even click on this option create one here and start right now. And that is it. That is how you can log into your Mr. Cooper mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.